every bull turns 12 years, he leaves the herd and then he goes to a bachelor herd where he gets trained how to behave until he's mature. Maturity for a male elephant starts from 25 years. So when you are 9 to 20 years, you're still a teenager. You have no idea how to behave around females. You are like very playful. So the elephant here, close to us, he's 20. The other one still quite far away, he's 19. They're still considered as young elephants, teenagers. Because elephants live 65, 70 years, just like a human. A fully mature bull elephant is 45 years. Only 45 years, that's when he's fully mature. Female elephants start getting mature from 20 years. 28 years, 30 years, fully mature. And then the males come and choose the female which goes in heating season, and then they're allowed to mate whenever they mature young. I actually read somewhere that you find must bulls which are in must, the females try and search for males which are in must because then they're very aggressive. They're very short-tempered. They are out to do some troubles, just some stuff that affects a lot of the vegetation and other herds. They will fight other bulls just to get that testimony which makes them so crazy. Right? But the only way they can stop it is when the females are mating with them. Females back themselves into a male which are in must and then they try to get all the anger away. Does anyone know how much can an elephant eat a day? How much vegetation or how much do an elephant eat a day? Kilograms. Anyone want to guess? How much does an elephant? Sorry?
A couple of hundred kilos.
A couple of hundred? That's good.
Half a ton almost.
Half a ton.
I mean, it goes with the size.
270 to 300 kilograms of vegetation. And they digest only 40% of that. And the other is the waste. 270 kilograms.
Huh?
Everyone good?